to all the enthusiastic dancer who has dreamed to become a good dancer, and to all the parents who have been supporting their kids, their children, for fulfilling their dreams. So, as a chief advisor and as a grandmaster of dance Karbi Anglong Dance, and this program is being organized by Katharson Engti, Talent Han Society, the chairpersons of Katharson Engti, and Longkiri and other stakeholders of this Katharson Engti Talent Han Society. So just Rajiv has already pointed out, he has already told you that we have been started season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4, season 5, but we have a gap due to some unavailable circumstances for 2 years. But again, Rajiv has approached to me that shall we start for session 6? So I just told him that we should have the hidden talent. So in this way, I have suggested Rajiv to organize this season 6 dance Karbi Anglong Dance. So as you know, why dance is important. So some people are not interested also, but those who are interested, they know the value of dance. So I will just say some few words regarding about the importance. But dance to give importance for. Okay. So dance is a powerful universal activity that blends physical exercise with creative and emotional expression. Okay. It significantly enhances cardiovascular health, flexibility, and brain function. Dance, because dance is called the best form of exercise. So, while also acting as an effective psychological outlet to reduce stress, blend social connectivity within communities. Because by performing dance, you can lose your weight. That is why basically the married women also they used to go for Zumba and all, isn't it? To reduce the weight loss and all. So dance, you see, while you're performing or while you're practicing dance, the whole body movement is required. It's required all flexibility. So there is a lot of health benefit by doing dance also. And apart from that, now even in the educational institution also, like dance instructor is required, like Bharathe. He is also teaching as a dance instructor in Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. And there are also in other educational institutions also now dance become a very important part apart from the other activities. So as you know that in the reality show also, dance Karbi Anglong Dance, okay, you have seen, and one boy, he come out successfully, like Om Chetri, you might have heard about that, some 4 or 5 years back. So I witnessed in the grand finale in Pune. So he was awarded in the first runners-up category from Karbi Anglong in the all India level. So impossible is nothing. Okay, impossible is nothing. If you have a big dream, if you continue, if you stick to it, your dream will fulfill. But you see, it's not easy to become successful. Success cannot be done overnight. Okay, so you must have a proper guidance. You must have a lot of hard work. You must have dedication. Whatever you dream, you must stick to it. Like persistency, consistency should be there. Then one day your dream will come true. So I want to give my hardest best wishes from the core of my heart to all the participants who has come up today to participate in this season 6 dance Karbi Anglong Dance. So wish you all the best. Thank you so much, and I opened this program. I declared the program open. Thank you so much.